but I need some more. Jump scare.
Merry Christmas, baby. Sure did treat me nice. The night and this Christmas.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. It is also SipnSlay, and the girl got her tea today because y'all, you can hear it. I really wanted my wine today, but I couldn't. I'm still sad, so drink up for me, please. But what makes me a little bit happier is WIGMAS. Yes, it's still WIGMAS, y'all, and I still have some giveaways in the pinned comment. So make sure you're checking that out down below so you can see what the giveaway is today. Now, before we get into this holly jolly install right here, just know it took some work. So if you don't mind sticking around to see how I got this wig from A to Slay, stay tuned, okay? As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Nadula Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I'm scared, y'all. I'm really scared about this color. I don't know how this is gonna look on me. It's real bright. I don't think I've seen this color before, especially on a textured wig. This is a kinky straight wig, so you know when it comes to the colors, they don't really do too much for those. We did see some brands step out with the auburn kinky straight wigs. So here Nadula come with the blonde joints, okay, the blonde textured wigs. So if you like that, then okay, let's get into it. I'm going to first cut the lace off the back. I'm gonna spray her down before I put her on my head because she got a little smell. So I'm gonna give it a little humph, okay? I'm gonna spray it on my dry shampoo first. Light. Put some water on it with the spray bottle. Work that on in. Can't have the crusty dusty. I'm gonna wash mine later, but go ahead and wash your wigs, okay? It does come with the adjustable elastic band, so hopefully it will give me a secure fit. I can't remember if these wigs run small on me or not, but I'm not gonna put my wig cap on, not my wig cap. Dang, I can't talk. I'm not gonna put my wig grip on just yet. I'm gonna tighten this down a little bit. The adjustable straps are on. Actually, I lied. Only one is on. Put on the furthest one out. Ooh, this better be cute, Nadula. Jump scare. Not a pre-plug hairline. You can work that out the pack, but I need some more. I need some more, please. But we gonna get it together, okay? Because we like a little bit of a challenge. First, I'm just going to what is this? This little this random piece of baby hair. I definitely need to pluck this hairline. Clearly you want to go, so let me just go ahead and start with you. Why are you hanging down in my face like that? It does come with a center part, and I'm pretty sure this is a 13x4, so you don't get a lot of parting space, and it's short on the sides. Just pulling some hairs out. This clip is not trying to stay clipped. Use my little claw clip. Bring this down. Let me get a little bit behind the hairline. Like this. Now when it comes to pulling, it's based on what I like around my hairline and how I can see it on me. But for you, it could be a lot easier or more precise if you use tweezers. So, you know, do what works for you. Based on how this is fitting or looking on my head so far, we may be spraying this one down too, y'all. I love glueless, but sometimes I want wigs to look a certain way, so spraying it down gives me a better look. We'll see once we get there. I mean, we're looking okay so far, I think. The hair is soft, so I give them that. The color doesn't look bad either. Cut it in 3, like this. I don't cut all the way to the hairline. I cut like right before it. So when I'm cutting my lace off, I pretty much just follow the front of the hairline. You don't want to cut too close to the hairline because when you're cutting your lace off, you're going to cut into the hairline. She is sticky thick. Cut the lace off like so. There's a little teeny piece right here. Get that little piece off. There we go. Ow, get off my hand. Dang. About to fight the scissors in here. I didn't cut off my ear tabs. Oopsie. Look at me moving too fast, forgetting what I'm doing. Cut this off like so. I'm gonna take my tweezers and I'm just gonna pull like this. Just a little bit more so I can get a little bit more precise on my sides. You may not be able to see it yet, but I can tell it's thinning out the way I want. I'm gonna brush this all out like that. Okay, get it all out of there. Before I put my mousse on my hairline, I'm gonna use some grease on my hair because these flyaways are, they up there, right up here in the front. You know why we here? Okay, Nairobi around the hairline. Oh, wait a minute. Come on, don't get brand new. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here we go. Pat, 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 pat. I got more on my daggone forehead than the actual wig. Child. Then we're gonna rub and rub and rub that all in. What is this hair? It's a piece just sitting on my daggone eyelash. Nadula. Put this on like so. Oh, wait a minute. All right, and there we go. There we go. All right, so we're gonna use the blow dry brush on high heat. And we're gonna sleek this hair out just a little bit because it's a little big. Is there layers in here? Got a little something in the front. We'll see. Okay, so I went on and done my makeup and put a little part on this side like that. So I'm gonna use my hot comb to sleek the hair out just a little bit more. Let's just see how much she can handle. If it, oh. I don't want to burn the hair, so let me be careful. I love that I don't have to use a flat iron. Not saying that I'm never going to use a flat iron ever again, but this just makes it so much easier sometimes. Uh-oh. Did I burn the hair out? Let me be careful. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see how I did that? In the back of this joint right here, it gets warm, but it's not as hot as the actual combs. So you don't gotta worry about burning your ears off like the traditional hot combs be doing, okay? Not too close. Hold up. Let's take off this elastic band because she tied, y'all. She tied. See what the hairline is looking like. Do I want to spray her down? So I'm gonna use my Ebin spray, my Ebin adhesive spray, and this comes off of water. I don't know why I be moving my head. Like, why am I moving my head? I'm already moving the can, child. And like, oop, come on, come on. Like that. Not bad. It's a little ashy, but we'll fix that. We'll fix it. It's actually kind of cute. Let me take out a little bit of this hair right here in this parting space, just so I can make sure I can see what I'm working with. Okay, let's do some curling. Hope I don't burn this wig, child. Curl them up, curl them up, curl them up, curl them. Curls in her. Why are my glasses good? Why are my glasses crooked like that? The hairline is looking pretty good. It's coming together. I feel like I could have moved my lace down a little bit, but we'll see in a second. I may need to fix that. Oh, you know what? I think the grease that I have on my hairline is taking this wig off. This side gonna lift too. I can already see it. She coming together. You just need a little work. Ooh, the mail's here. I love getting packages. It truly is a blessing, y'all. Now the curls are in here. I need to fix my daggone wig. Get a cotton pad. Get my toner because I don't have no alcohol around here. All right, let me put my glasses on so I can see. Make sure I don't mess up nothing. Clean her up. Let's try this again. Okay, y'all, we almost done. Spray. Oh, god dang. Looking a lot better. Okay, okay. Let me use a little bit of my contour. Tap it lightly around my edges. It does take my products really well, so you know that's always a good thing. Let me use my blow dryer to flatten this out some. High and hot. Wide tooth comb. The curls are not gonna stay. Nope, they're not gonna stay with this one. Well, this one is staying. Why the other one's not staying? It wasn't sleek enough? Is that the problem? Ooh, please don't burn me. Please don't burn me. Keep on brushing this out. Now, wait a minute. My track is showing in the back, child. Oh, great. You gotta watch it with these shorter parting spaces. I'm going with my knot eraser. I think I'm gonna use this one right here in the middle. And see how she looks. Because again, we gotta make it stand out without it being, you know, too noticeable. I think this is working. All right, tap it in. Do a little bit of the darkest one right here in the front just to make sure it's not too light. You gotta play with it a little bit, make sure it's right. Let me use a little bit more grease up here with these flyaways. Okay, y'all, so here is the finished look. Y'all, this is hold on, I need a drink. I do wish she was wine, because this was a labor of love. I'm telling you. This definitely took some effort to get it like this from how it looked out the pack. So I would not say this is a beginner friendly unit, because you do gotta do some things to this wig if you wanna get it like this. Surprisingly, the ends weren't really scraggly, so you know, that's cool or whatever. And I do like how I did that parting space. The plucking and the pulling that I did actually doesn't look bad. It's a little ashy right there though. How did I miss you, sis? Hold up real quick, I wanna do a ponytail. Y'all know. Y'all know I can't go without a ponytail. I'm all over the place, child. It allows the color to flow a lot more. And honestly, I was feeling a little bit overwhelmed with it all down in my face like that. The texture is still in the wig, so if I want to go in and straighten that out, I can definitely do that. But I don't feel like doing that. I'm done. I'm done. This little one right here, there we go. I was trying to figure out what was going on. I like it a lot more with the half up, half down, and that's my final answer. Thank you and goodbye. Again, this may not be for you. Don't get it off my pictures. A lot of y'all be getting my wigs off my pictures and then be upset when the wig don't look the same as mine after you style it. So know where you are on the wig slayage scale, okay? Know where you are. Nadula, come. Have a seat. A more pre-plucked hairline and more parting space would definitely make this wig, you know, top tier, especially for this color. Some wig wearers don't want to do all the work, okay? They just want to put a wig on, have it mostly ready to go, style it for them, and then go. I had to sit for a little bit and figure out how I was going to rock this joint. But as always, challenge accepted. I do feel like the end result is gorgeous. The color is really nice. This year my man is home for Christmas, so wrap me up, baby. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.